This progression is really focused on loose, wet and wet watercolor techniques and just allowing the paint to move and react naturally on the paper. With this sort of approach, it's not about controlling every edge or every little shape. It's more about movement, color relationships, soft transitions, and letting the watercolor create some unexpected moments along the way. Of course, wet and wet painting will give you plenty of opportunities to do just that. One little thing I like to remind myself is make the first progression unfinished. So don't try to push it too far. Get it started, get it going, and then back away. Less is best, and overpainting is certainly something you don't want to do here. As I move through each banana study, I'm getting a little more familiar with the subject, but I'm also getting more comfortable with the timing of the water, the brushwork, and how much I can push the paint before things completely fall apart. That'll come a little later, I promise you. So as I mentioned before, each progression gets a little bit looser. Sometimes I will take liberty on shapes. Sometimes I'll take liberty on values, push in, pull in, and even lightly suggesting them versus trying to overstate things. So basically, progressions become a sandbox for technique, any sort of color, anything that you feel would help you break away from the ordinary. A chance to push the boundaries and try something new. On this study, I actually didn't like where things were going, so instead of fighting it, I just took a bristle brush with some water, scrubbed part of it back out, blotted it with paper towel, and went right back into the painting while the paper was still wet. A lot of times those moments become some of the most interesting parts of the process because you stop trying to force perfection and you start reacting more intuitively to what's happening. Sometimes the goal isn't creating one perfect finished painting. Sometimes the goal is simply loosening up, experimenting, and allowing yourself to stay connected to the creative process a little longer.